It's an amazing time that we are having here. ഇത് കാണുന്നവർ ഇവിടെ ഇല്ലാത്തവർ ഭയങ്കര മിസ് ചെയ്യുന്നു. ഇറ്റ്സ് റെൻസ് വെഡിങ്. ഐ കെൻ നോട്ട് ബിലീവ് ഈസ് ഗെറ്റിംഗ് മാരിഡ്. റെനിനെ കുറിച്ച് ഓർക്കുമ്പോൾ I think if there is a word for relaxation, that is Ren. All right. I'm sure he will. I'm sure he is in love, crazy love with this with Surya, and hoping to meet her. We are all so very happy for him. He brings lots of love and energy and fun to the group, and can't wait for him to get hitched. We are all so happy for him.
First of all, he is my son. He is very sincere and very considerate, as well as very much empathetic. So that's he, as far as I know. Friends means everything for him.
Ren എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ we used to do our high schooling together at Labour India Public School മരങ്ങാട്ടുപള്ളി. ഇത് എക്സ്ക്ലൂസീവ്ലി ഫോർ Ren ആണ്. He's a man. Actually, we don't know how he will feel when he's married, but still I know he's the Alice in the Wonderland. കാരണം he's the best human being which I am known to. കാരണം അവൻ്റെ ഓരോ മൈൻഡ് സെറ്റ്, his ideas, whenever he used to come to the God's own country of Kerala, അവൻ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്ന ഓരോ നല്ല കാര്യങ്ങൾ, when we used to have our reunion, Ren used to be the smartest of the guy. നമ്മുടെ കൂട്ടത്തിലെ one of the chillest guy ആണ്.
Drunk and tipsy in the shop, cull and curry on the house, vibing with the nut pump, tripping on a kuttu paattu. In the shop, tripping in Puntupu, vibing with the thing, chilling with the chunk. People call me Vara, make me so sad. I was only chilling on a fire. I'm happy that I'm young, I'm happy that I'm fun. Indini kanna kadibai, Indini Valentine's bro, Indini paridabam bro, Indini kanniru bro, vendavale vendivale.
He is really down to earth. Satyam Marali, he is really down to earth. He is a man of simplicity. He understands persons, like, what do you say? ഒരാളുടെ പെർസെപ്ഷൻസ് എന്തൊക്കെയാണെന്നുള്ളത് ആൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവും. ഹീസ് വെരി ഹംബിൾ. ആൻഡ് ദിസ് ഗൈ ഗെറ്റിംഗ് മാരിഡ് ഇസ് ലൈക്ക് outstanding, man. It's really outstanding. I cannot believe this guy is getting married. But after marriage, you know, his wife is really lucky to have this kind of guy. And what do you say? She will be enjoying music. That's what I have to say.
Whenever he was sad and he used to come into the room and he used to have a glow in his face.
Yeah. So I met him in masters while we were doing our masters in US. When I went to Michigan, and he was a very fun-loving guy, very jovial, very easygoing.
Yeah, very truthful guy.
Very truthful guy. a guy with a swang.
Yeah, his own swang.
His own swang.
A guy with his own swang.
Own swang. Like even after like 6-7 years also, he knows what he's talking.
Yeah,
That's
true.
what I just observed now because we are in his bachelor's party.
True. All the best,
All
Bren.
the best, friend.
I hope you have all the fun, all the joy, and all the bliss.
Drunk, I'm a nirukali drunk. Now an alkali drunk. I'm a nittukali. Adichu poosu Malayali. Rajini pola mask if I'm drunk. Baby dance, simple moves theriyadu. Only nod and moonwalk. ആ വാള് കൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ പൂക്കള്ളം ഇട്ടു കവലയില്ല ഞാൻ ആള് കളിച്ചു നോക്കി ചിരിച്ച ചേച്ചി മാറി തിരിഞ്ഞു നോക്കി ഞാൻ വിളിച്ചു ഡാൻസ് like it don't catch a fun and the snow say I feel like the energy beat so വെടിച്ചു കൊട്ടുപാട്ട് കെട്ടുപെട്ടു Hennessy.
Drunk in a shop, tripping in Pontopu, vibing with the thing, chilling with the jungle. In a shop, Caroline curry on the house, vibing with the nut bomb, tripping on a kottu paatu. Indini Valentine's bro, indini paridabam bro, indini kanneeru bro, vendavade vendivade.
People call me boy.